Hey, MVP Auto family. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Tundra, a pickup that's turning heads with its power, features, and innovation. So, is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Toyota has outdone itself with the 2025 Tundra. Sporting a bold new design, this pickup screams confidence and capability. The chiseled front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aggressive stance make it one of the most stylish trucks in its class. It's available in multiple trims, SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, and TRD Pro, with pricing starting at $41,000 and climbing to about $74,000 for the top-tier TRD. Step inside, and you're greeted with a tech-filled, premium interior. The Tundra features a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker JBL sound system are just a few of the luxury options. For 2025, Toyota has also enhanced the cabin storage space and added more soft-touch materials for a refined feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Tundra offers two powertrain options. The base engine is a 3.5L twin-turbo V6, delivering 389 horsepower. But if you're looking for serious performance, opt for the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which cranks out a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. It's a game-changer for towing and off-road enthusiasts, with a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds. Speaking of off-road, the TRD Pro trim is built for adventure, featuring Fox shocks, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Plus, the new multi-terrain monitor lets you see every obstacle around you. So, is the 2025 Toyota Tundra worth its price tag? With its rugged capability, tech-loaded interior, and bold styling, it's a strong contender in the pickup market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews.